Hi everyone, what is yoga to me? Yoga is a connection which helped me to understand myself better. Through asanas, through pranayama and through meditation, I learned about myself, and through that I established a connection with the outside world, to the people around me, through the community and the universe and the nature around me, to be more sensitive, to be more kind and compassionate. That's what yoga is to me. And if you're a practicing yogi, it will show up in how kind and loving and compassionate you are with other human beings. And it becomes your second nature. And that's yoga to me. And the 21-day program, we are doing a yoga challenge for 21 days, 21 minutes, 7 pranayama, 7 asana and 7 meditation techniques. It's for everyone. Please join and I'll see you on the other side.